Hello viewers, welcome to Core for Any. If you hear new, hit subscribe buttons and notification bell so you can never miss any our incredible content. Taxi app, backends and app API inside today we need to create here the documents API for the admins we need to create here. First of all, we need to copy this page. The car documents controllers we need to create here the new files and to write down here the document controllers .js like these files you need to create and to paste these codes here. Also need to remove unused codes, you need to remove here and also need to remove here page upload functions. Maybe you need to comments because you need to future inside need these functions. Delete these here. You need here admin. Remove this here. Other APIs to remove here. Other now need to first of all need to need here some message. Need to set this here. First of all need to set this here the const msg. Needs here the no documents. This here message is the no document. Then after need to defines here sg document approve this message. Approve fully. Now need to copy here. Another message we need to develop this here as a disapprove, unapprove. Approve successfully. And also need to need here other message for the add new documents. Document added successfully. I'm going to copy for the updates and deletes. Added successfully. After we need to delete it successfully. Like this, we need to need here the message. Yes, like this needs, and now need to create here the admin API for the add new documents inside the required fields. Need to create here the list which documents are the needs here. First of all, so need to remove this here the yes no needs here. And now we need to need for these documents. We need to set this here the user type because we need to do user related like user apps and driver apps which chosen to which documents needs for this access like this. Set here the user types. After need to needs here the document name. Then after need to need this here document types like the personal documents and car documents like this here types. Other parameters need to see here. Now need to open here the database and need to select this here the tables. First of all, need to open this database in the web view. Have to have this text here. Now we need to go inside this document table and write down here the query of the insert. Now we need to go at this here the yeah, web SQLs. Write down here the insert query. Copy this here and we need to paste this here the db query inside this. Write down here query insert query and to remove here the types. That here to question mark for the first one is the names and second one is the types. Then afterwards you need to set this here the request object document names and you need to use here the dot type and to let's here this response errors and to function operators need to set this here. Now we need to write down if here gets any errors, then we need to helper throw html errors. Write down here and this and return this here. You gets any results here, then we need to insert successfully. Not gets here the response, then we need to fail. Copy this here and to paste this here. We need to write down here the message as a here is sets. And now need to returns need to here session response for the need to return this added document returns here. Also need and need to paste this here and now need to set here the as well as we need to this here the message and this servers set here the msg document head at this set here this message and also need to add this here the query for with this here first of all the id. Now need to pass here the result flow set id at this needs and also need to pass this here the document names as a request object dot document sets here to type for the words and now also need to give this here the type past here the test object dots need to pass this here response also needs here the created dates need to use here the helper class and call this here the server let this here created dates on admin side. Need to display only the names, IDs and types. Other things not displaying. That's why I need to remove the created dates. There I need to put this here. Like this here creates. And now also need to create here the document list API. We need to develop this here. So write down here the list. Now we need to again need to go inside select query and we need to select query. Write down here. Copy these here and to these here with like this sets. And now need to give this here results. Also need here also needs status by default set 0 sets gems, both are responsive gems. Directly insert this data and also need to create here return this response. We need to see here also need to return this here. Now need to set here see like this returns. And this is the admin side displaying here this list for the statically insert update deletes like operations need to perform this here. And this documents list also displaying here the basic driver need to set here. This is the personal documents displaying. That's why car documents, which documents are needs for this car. Like this we need to set this here and set this here. Now also need to create here the document deletes API. I need to develop this here. First of all, need to change this API names as we need to give this here the deletes API. Give this here names and also need to pass this here the API inside. Let this here the ID passed here and need to go inside our query. Go here the update query needs here also need to see here this types not needs and also remove the dates and to set here the query its ID is equal to question mark and need to set against check here plus not equal to details. Maybe this is optional, no needs. So need to this query and to CS and not equal to set here question mark. Also need to set here question mark direct query. Now functions need false and first of all need directly to and now we need to pass this here. Also need to replace here like this sets and also need to give this here the response returns and to like this message we need to return this here. Now need to save this API and this API are the done and to check this here affected. So also now need to create here the edit documents API. Need to this here also need with this here need to paste this here and rename this here the update documents updates API. Now need to pass this here the value. Need to go first of all the add API and paste this here set the paste here and also need to pass this here the edits as a value. Need to set this here suppose need to set this here status need to yes. Now need to this here the name property question mark and also need to set here types property set here mark like sets and to pass this one by one the whole view here request object dots, documents name. So I need to create here. Paste object dot document types. This here the second value, and after this here not equal delete. Then we have to give this here the affected row that here. Updated successfully like this sets here. This API are the runs. Like this sets here. If you like this video, please give the thumbs up. If you're new user, so please subscribe my channels and press the notification bell icon. You can get every new video notifications and awesome content. If you have any questions, so please write down in the comment sections. I will help you and sort out your issue. Everyone have a nice day. Goodbye and take care.